These logos, I have created these by using Microsoft Copilot AI. As you can see, the quality of this logo looks professional. What's up guys? Welcome back to this video. This is Jack from All Tools Info. In today's video, I will show you how you can create a logo for your brand by using Microsoft Copilot AI. And also in this video, I will give some ideas that will help you to create different types of logo. By the end of this video, I will share some tips to create a professional logo for your brand. So, without wasting our time, let's get started. First, open your Bing browser and then click on the Copilot icon. Before creating a logo, I want to say you something. As a beginner, you may face problems in writing a prompt for your logo. Or maybe you are not getting ideas for your logo. Like, what should I write and how to write a good prompt that can help me get better output. But don't worry guys, here I want to share an idea that I use. If you are not getting ideas for your prompt, so I will tell you to get help from other AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Gemini, and also you can use Copilot. For this time I'm using Gemini. I have already written a prompt. That prompt was, can you write some prompts for a logo? I want to create a logo for my gaming YouTube channel with Bing AI tools. So, write 3 different prompts for my gaming YouTube channel. I have shared this prompt in this video description. You can use it, you just have to change your niche. I have used it for gaming. You can use it for cooking, education, tech, sports, news, and much more. Well, after using this prompt, I got 3 different prompts for my logo. So, let's try the first one. I have added another sentence that I want to create a logo for my gaming YouTube channel. Here is the prompt. Here you have to write your channel name. By the way, if you want, you can customize this prompt. After this, hit on Enter button. Copilot is creating our logo. As you can see, within a second our logo is ready and also is looking very cool. If you are not satisfied with this design, you can customize by given prompt. Like you can tell to Copilot to change background color or change element or add night effect. I am writing another prompt to create this logo 3D. As you see, our logo is ready and it's looking really awesome. And I am sure if you want to create this logo by using Photoshop or Illustrator, so definitely it will take a lot of effort and time, depend on your experience. So in this way, you can try others prompts one by one that we got from Gemini. You have to try until you are satisfied. Now, I'm giving you some tips to create your logo. First, whenever you are trying to generate your prompt for your logo, try to generate multiple times until you get a perfect prompt for your logo, and if you can change or you can write before generating the logo with this prompt. Tips number 2. While creating a logo with Copilot. After submitting your primary prompt or main prompt, try to use secondary prompt. What I mean that? You might remember when I was creating this logo, I submitted another prompt that created this logo 3D. So this way, you can modify your logo by providing a secondary prompt. Guys, I hope this video will help you to create a professional logo with AI, and if you found this video helpful, so like this video and share with others. We always share information about latest AI tools, software, and apps, so if you are having interest with these things, so you can subscribe to our channel and join our community to get updated information. Thanks for watching this.